When you are logged into the server needs to be updated with the latest patches and software. To do this, type apt-get space update and press enter. Now any updates will be downloaded and installed. Type clear to clear the screen. The next task is to install a web server. We are going to use Apache 2. To install it, type apt-get space install space Apache 2, enter. You will be prompted to confirm the install. Press Y for yes and enter. Finally, type clear to clear the screen. Now Apache 2 is installed, its scripts need to be configured. To do this, type vim, which is a text editor built into the command line. And the file to edit is / etc. / Apache 2 / Apache2.conf. Now use the down key to go all the way to the bottom of the file . Press I to insert text and press enter to insert text on a new line. Now you need to specify the server name and the IP address using the following configuration text. Server name space followed by the IP address. In your case, your IP address. Now press escape, colon, then W and Q, followed by enter to save and exit vim. Now you need to run a configuration test to check the edited file is correct. To do this, type Apache 2 ctl space config test, which is all one word. Enter. This will tell you if the syntax is okay in the file or not. If the syntax is okay, it will print out syntax okay as highlighted. Now you need to restart Apache 2 to load the new configuration into the web server. Type system ctl space restart space Apache 2. Press enter. This will restart Apache 2 on the web server. Now that's done, type clear to clear the screen. Lastly, you need to configure the firewall to allow Apache 2 to let in web traffic. To do this, type UFW space allow in Apache full which is enclosed in double quotes, and the first letter is capitalized on each word. Now the firewall rules have been updated. Type clear to clear the screen. We can now test everything and see that Apache 2 is working by opening a browser window. Now put the IP address of your VPS in the address bar. Ensure that http:// is in front of the IP address, then press enter. If everything is set up properly, the default Apache 2 page will be loaded.